Hi class, I want to go over the fitness assessment assignment that you're going to have. It's a pre and post assessment as well as pre and post assignment that you're going to end up turning in because we want to see progress over the course of 5 weeks as well as see what you kind of learn about your health and fitness. So here is our initial fitness assessment pre, okay, and then there will be a fitness assessment post, okay. So what you're going to end up doing is using the fitness assessment document. You're going to record your measurements for each item, and so you're just going to record it on the pre side. I'll bring that document up here in a second. Then using your assessment data as well as your personal goals sheet. So there's a personal goals sheet you need to fill out. You're going to reflect on the assessment of your exercise scores and then upload here to Canvas. And here's everything that you need: rubric, goal sheet, as well as fitness assessment. So when you click on this, your computer will download it. You can now open it, and when it pops up, you will see that you have everything that you need. So you're going to your pre-scores, you're going to take your resting heart rate just right when you wake up, measure by 15 and then multiply by 4, and then max heart rate is just 220 minus your age. You'll get this number from your Karpinen formula worksheet, and then you're going to do a 3-minute step test. Okay, so what you're going to do on this 3-minute step test, again, there's instructions on how to do it. The videos are in that very first startup module. You're going to step for 3 minutes up onto a box, and then you're going to take your heart rate. You're going to take the number of beats right here, put that there, and then multiply by 4, and you'll get the number of beats per minute. It's 15 times 4 is 60 beats per minute. Then you're going to sit down, take your resting, count your beats again after 1 minute of rest, and then after 5 minutes of rest. And all of this is on the pre side. Post will be during the last week of class. So this is all during the first week of class. Then you're going to see how many push-ups you can do, how many sit-ups you can do, as well as check your flexibility using the sit and reach. For the shoulder girdle, it's pass-fail, whether you're going to put your one arm over your back, up by your head, one arm back around, kind of over by your lower back, and see if you can reach your hands together. It's either a pass or no pass. And then body composition, that is optional for this. Unless you have a way to actually measure your body composition, you'll not be required to submit any body composition measurements. Scale, if you have a scale, that would be fantastic. Yes, actually, I apologize. Body fat, if you have it, optional. If you don't have it, weight in pounds though. Most of us do have access to a scale, so you will need to put your weight in pounds. And again, this is just between you and the instructor, so none of your information is getting out there. So we have the pre-assessment, and then you'll have post-assessment scores. Here's to give you an idea on body composition, so you guys can take a look at, as well as normative values for the YMCA sit and reach test. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of instructions and guidance on how to submit your pre-assessment scores. Now if we go back right here, we'll go back one more under our modules, and the very last module that we are going to have obviously has our wellness survey and our final fitness assessment piece. So you're going to upload a completed copy pre and post of your fitness assessment sheet, meaning we're going to take this fitness assessment sheet, and you're going to now do all of the same tests, okay, but they're now going to be post tests at the end of class. Then what we're going to do is input those scores into this Google Doc. You're just going to click on that. It'll run you through some questions. Complete your self-reflection paper by downloading this document right here. Click on that. You must write, these are bulleted questions, but you must be writing at least 3 to 5 sentences as if you're writing a paragraph. Use proper grammar. There's a rubric that you'll be following. And that is your pre and post fitness assessment assignment.